Cloud security or cloud computing is the backbone of modern businesses these days. But with a great power comes great responsibilities, right? So cyber criminals are constantly evolving, and cloud security has never been more critical than these days. If you want to become a cloud security specialist, you are in the right place. Without being said, let's start. Cloud security is a practice of protecting cloud environment from cyber threat. Okay, so it involves securing data, application, and infrastructure in cloud platform like Amazon or AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Whether it's data breach, misconfiguration, or incident threat, securing the cloud is now a top priority of for all company worldwide. Most of the key security aspects in a cloud, we have to be familiar with first with identity and access management, data encryption, network security like firewalls, zero trust, etc., compliance and risk management, cloud incident response. This is the most important uh, key security aspect in cloud. Next, we have like how do you get started? Like always, especially for those who try to change their jobs or their career, how I'm gonna start it because you have to have a roadmap, right? So if you are new to cloud security, just follow this structured roadmap. Uh, First step, we have to learn about cloud basics, like understand the Azure and Google Cloud platform, AWS platform, etc. Next, we have to learn about visualization, networking, and as I mentioned previously, identity access management. Start with the iOS free tiers or Amazon free services to get hands-on practice. And I'm gonna attach the links in the box below. The second step, we have to be familiar, or later we can master the cloud security services. But in the beginning, you have to focus on the most AWS security services that can secure the cloud, like Guard Duty, Security Hub, Cloud Trial, and Azure security services like Azure Defender, Key Vault, Azure Active Directory, etc. Most of the always focus on the most of the security services that can help you as well. Uh, the third option we have, or the third steps we have to take, get hands-on lab. So use hands-on lab on simulating attack to gain real-world experience. There is Hack the Box. They have kind of cloud labs. AWS well architects labs. Azure Security Center has own lab as well. This lab is very important. All right. Now next we have certification for cloud security jobs. If you want to apply for entry level job in as a cyber security cloud specialist, for example. So the top cloud security certification in the market, we have AWS certified security. We have a Microsoft certified, like Azure Security Engineer Associated. We have certified cloud security professional, which we call it CCSP, and Google Cloud Security Engineer. So start with these. I'm not saying with all of them, just pick up one of them, you know. Um, About me, like, I don't want to give you like an option, but uh, Amazon or AWS, they have a great resource. Azure as well. So I will start with one of these two. Next, we have to start with, as I mentioned, AWS and Azure fundamental course. Then specialize in security. Don't push yourself, like don't burn yourself. It's like you have to uh, build your knowledge step by step. So don't push yourself limit. Next, we have the most important skills to become cloud security specialist. Like to succeed in this field in cloud security, you need both technical and analytical skills. Here is what you have to focus on. Focus on cloud security controls and compliance, especially ISO 27001. Threat detection and incident response. We use like SIEM tools, SOAR, etc., Splunk. All right. Then secure DevOps, SecOps as well. CI/CD pipelines is very important. Infrastructure as a code. Here focusing on this part as well. So this roadmap can give you a beneficial experience and knowledge if you follow it in a proper way. Next, now, like now that you have built the skills, let's say, okay, for example, how do you land your first job? Okay, so I finish like, okay, so I start today, I finish after 2 months or 3 months, and always I want to remind you guys, when you start today, study these certificates, just put plan that like after 2 months or 3 months, I'm going to do my first certification with Azure or Amazon, uh, whatever. So just don't open your time like, okay, so I have 1 year to finish. I have like 6 months. I have 10 months, because you will find yourself that you are studying since like 1 year, and till now you didn't book any exam. You didn't find any job. Like you feel in that point you feel like desperate. You're not like, and this is the secret here, because after 3 months, when you gain your first certificate from Microsoft or Amazon, that will raise your confidence, that will make you feel better, that will give you a reason to continue as well. All right. So let's get back to the point that we were talking about. How can I found my first cloud security job? The first step here, you have to build cloud security labs and document your work. I'm not saying to build a very professional, and that like 100% efficient and perfect. No, it's just do what do your job only. Always contribute to open source security projects, especially on GitHub. Join cloud security communities, LinkedIn, Reddit, X, Discord. Uh, in case you stuck with something, you can ask there. You can exchange the information with your friends on Discord, for example. And when you reach in the end, we start applying for entry level roles. All right. I told you in last video that many companies is searching for a junior level roles. So just apply for entry level roles like cloud security analytics, SOC analytic, DevSOC, ops, so etc. All right. So always we have to remember, like, Cloud security is one of the most exciting and high paying field today, because when you start, like when you get lucky and start your first job in cloud security, either as an employee, you get a salary, or a freelance, you get like daily rate, paying like between 400 until like 1,200 dollars per day. But as a salary, when you become senior, your salary will reach like more than 130,000 yearly, even more sometimes in some companies. All right. So with the right skills here and certification, with the hands-on experience, you can land a great job in this industry. And I will remind you, all of this, it depends on you. If you wanna just sit and watch videos and search how to become a cloud security specialist, how to become a cloud security engineer, and do nothing, that will not save you. No one will save you. You only the one you will save yourself. All right. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your cloud security question if you have any. And see you next video. Ciao.